How's it going, everyone? Welcome back. And today, let's take a look at how we can troubleshoot the flickering or bending issue when recording on a camera, especially a screen like mobile screen or TV screen or maybe an iPad. You might see there's a blending or flickering issue happens on Sony camera, especially on the Sony A7III lineup like A7II, 3, 4, 5. Doesn't really matter. So let's go ahead and solve that problems. Now, in order to solve that problem, you have to do the first work on your camera. You actually want to enable the anti-flickering features on your device. So in order to find the anti-flickering shot, first all you have to do, you got to just go ahead and from the first option, you can see there is like 14 settings here from the quality image one. So you have to go to the last settings first. So let me just go ahead and use the joystick button to go to last option. So 3, 13, 14. And here, as you can see, there's now an option called anti-flickering or flicker shot. So you got to select that and make sure you're actually enabling the anti-flicker shot on your iPhone. So if you turn these features off, then what's going to happen, you might see there would be some bending issues. So how it works, let me show you that. You can probably see now it's actually start happening in the back, right? You can see there's like you can see the light, right? It's actually bending, so it will start to happen there. So if you want that feature, just simply on this feature, it will help you to solve that problems. Now the next things you have to do a little workaround for the shutter speed on your camera itself. So there's two options like in the front rear and the back rear. So I'll just give you another shot. So in the first, so yeah, you actually have to adjust the exposure and the shutter speed at the same time. So let's say I'm in a video and I already enabled anti-flickering. So what I have to do, you can see this button, right? So I have to keep spinning until I see or find it works better. So I'm gonna press that, or I'm gonna use a back rear button. So first I have to take a look at my this one should be 1.8 aperture, and for this I'm gonna keep it to 50, and also let me pull it back. Okay, plus let me just go to 125. Let's do this one. Let's go. Okay, so I'm going to keep it to 2.8, and I'm going to keep it a little long. Okay, so let me just keep adjusting. So you can see now, adjusting it a little further, it's actually improved, and now it's no longer giving me the flickering issue that I used to get. So you have to adjust the shutter speed and also the aperture directly from here in order to solve that problems on your cameras. Okay, so the next the next step we're going to talk about is called use PAL or NTS mode. So what you have to do, just simply press that menu button here, and you have to go to the setup 2. Okay, so you can see there's a briefcase looking icon here. Just go to that locations. Let me come here. Go to that locations here, and you have to go to the page setup 2, and here you will be able to find out this option called NTSC and PL PL sector. So you got to select that and you have to enter it. So what you have to do, like if you're going to do it, your camera is going to restart and then go back to the main settings again, and I can tell you guys your problem is going to be solved. So this is exactly how you guys actually need to solve that anti-flickering or the bending problems on the camera on Sony. So still, if you guys have any more questions to ask, please let me know in the comment section, guys. See you all around.